Slapping the first project on the milk crate. She's got both flat tires. But
where's that wood again?
Right now, we got all the parts that the bike came with, and we're trying to figure out, we're pretty sure it got it, but we got to figure out the clutch, all the arms that go on there, and a couple other bolts, springs, should be in here, hopefully. We can try, but we pulled out, this is a Honda Trail 70 motor that came off this orange one. Has like a blown second gear or something. But we're gonna see if the spring that we need for that will fit. It should. The clutches are pretty much the same.
It's not even in there.
No, it goes behind that stuff. Or maybe that was our problem why it was blown. That's it right there. Hopefully it fits. But we took out this is for this 70 motor, like I said, and it's underneath this cover right here, the spring that we need. Let's see if it works. Look at this is the oil filter that came off the 50. Glad we checked that, because definitely have to clean that.
Look at this.
Oh my god. There's a couple metal shavings in there, but we're not going to talk about what happened to it, but
look at the 70 one.
Brand new. So we're probably going to slap that in there if they're the same size. Probably should be, but that's how it should look. Scraping off the gasket on the CT70 motor, and this case, it's a little beat, painted, chipped a lot. So we're going to put the gasket on here, see if it fits, and we're probably just going to put this one on. It's a lot cleaner. Back on track to get this thing running. Got the spring, got this already bolted on. A couple more things. She's ready to put the gasket on. When I was eating, the wire for the kill switch goes through the bars and comes out the bottom. He taped it to this old wire the guy had. That's trash. But we got a whole new kill switch, throttle tube. You got the old lever on there. Is it all ready?
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Finally got the peg mount on. Don't need no more milk crate. These things are straight. Slap some oil in it. It's got gas in already. Should start.
Flat.
Is the tire leaking or is that the nozzle?
I can't tell. Right there.
Need a cap? Got a small little leak in the stem, so we had a nice spare one already in the toolbox. We're gonna swap that, and it should hold air.
Should we check the bolt underneath? We want to drain it, so do we got any?
Filled up with gas. She had no, she already had gas in it. Filled it with oil. Checked over everything. I'm guessing 6 kicks. What do you think?
Didn't even check spark though.
It's got spark. It's got spark.
got nothing.
Some people shouldn't be working on dirt bikes because the guy that we bought it from, his buddy put clutch plates in it. That's what he said, and he took the whole clutch apart. It's like $60 for a whole clutch and the whole thing. That's what we used to always do on the Coolster, this Chinese pit bike we had. But I don't know how to explain it, but my dad's about to show you. There you go.
He had the gear in wrong. He's supposed to have this one in first, and then this one locks down on it. Well, he had this one just loose on top. He had this one loose on top, and it wasn't engaging the clutch.
And we always knew, like, on the other side, there's these springs on the back side. We always, the first time we looked at it, they just always looked shot and, like, super pinched together. So I knew there was something wrong with the clutch, but we figured it out, slap it all back together, and hopefully it starts. Try number 2 on starting this thing. I'm already getting nervous.
We didn't check spark again.
Don't even think about that. Don't even say it. Is the kill switch on? Hey.
Get the gas on.
Gas on, choke.
Choke's on.
Go.
Can you, one kick?
I said.
Slipped.
It's oily. Doesn't sound too spiffy.
It was good the first time.
So on try 2 of starting the Z50, the arm that engages the clutch, I might be able to see a little bit on video. It's a little bit bent, and there's like a little chip on it right there. And the first kick, it like slipped out and like went out of whack. So we put one from a CT70 on it. That whole engine, we robbed so many parts off already. So hopefully try 3, we're feeling it. Take 3 on starting it. This should be the final one. Whoa, don't get your hopes up. Okay.
This pedal's slippery. She's gonna start.
Choke. It's getting there. It's getting there.
It's super slippery. I gotta get a rag.
Yeah, there's oil on this whole bike. Timing's gotta be hard.
Can't want to do that. Just start it over already.
She all good?
No, she's stuck.
That L's bent. She purrs! She purrs!
How'd you look at me?
The bars look way better.
got throttle. She might take off.
She's cruising. Why is it bogging? She stalled. She stalled.
That sounds like it's almost in gear. It might be the timing.
Probably the valve's a little loose.
The shifter's fucked.
I guess she's not blown. She does sound a little rough. And she died. But he's walking back right now. There's something wrong with it. The timing might be like a couple teeth off, but it might be like one tooth off, but it was pretty dead on. Like it was dead on. Maybe air filter? I don't know.
Choke up. Could be a carb.
Those valves, the head just sounds gross, I think.
Something